Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks for Amazon FBA. Start by connecting your Amazon seller account to QuickBooks via a connector app, then map products and fees into dedicated income and expense accounts. Enable automatic import of payouts and bank transactions to keep records current. Reconcile payouts against deposits weekly and categorize advertising, shipping, and storage fees as separate expense types for accurate profit tracking and tax readiness. In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks for Amazon FBA. Add inventory purchases with landed costs, including shipping and duties, then record transfers to Amazon as inventory adjustments. Use COGS accounts when inventory sells and reconcile quantities with Amazon's inventory reports. Regularly run inventory valuation reports to catch discrepancies early and adjust for lost or damaged units, so financial statements reflect true costs and margins for each product line. Quick recommendation: if you like saving time, consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for hands-off cleaning while you focus on bookkeeping. It offers voice control and smart mapping, so it avoids racks and cleans under shelves where product boxes live. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks for Amazon FBA. Set up distinct expense categories for referral fees, FBA fulfillment, storage, and advertising to see true product profitability. Configure sales tax collection per marketplace and link tax agencies to QuickBooks tax settings. Use class or location tracking for multiple brands or marketplaces, and run tax-ready reports monthly so you are prepared for filings and can separate remittances from operating cash flow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.